There's power in the name of Jesus. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So I made this delicious and beautiful yam balls for Father's Day lunch for the family, and I want to share the recipe with you, my family, so you can also make some for your hubby, daddy, and brother. Okay, so let's go. So you peel your yam and then you wash it, and then we are gonna cut this into cubes. Okay, so we are going to cook this till it is smooth. So we add some water and some salt to taste. Okay, so as you can see now, our yam is cooked and it is soft, just as we want it. Okay, so we're gonna strain and then we transfer into a bowl. But here are some of the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be listing all in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, so we transfer our yam into a bowl, and then we are gonna mash this. So you can use any masher of your choice. Okay, and trust me, it's a lot of work. You need enough muscles to mash the yam. So now you can see our yam is mashed, and this is exactly how I want it. Very smooth. So at this point, we are going to add our veggies, starting with the onion, bell peppers, carrots, and with our protein, we are using diced sausages. You can use sardine, minced meat, canned beef, chicken, any protein of your choice. So at this point, we add some seasoning, and then I'm adding some curry powder, which is optional. And then we are gonna grate some nutmeg. Yes, we want to take this yam balls to another level. Okay, udia na kono so what's here. So we add some little salt to taste, and then we add the egg yolk only. So now we are gonna mix this for it to be well incorporated. So now that our mixture is ready, we are going to use our ice cream scooper to scoop and then make the balls to arrive at equal and even size. I hope you understand. But you can use your hand to do it. It's also fine. So this is the size we are going for. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you guys for the massive support. I really appreciate you. Okay, God bless you. Okay, now our rolled balls is ready. So we are going to coat the yam balls. So this is my breadcrumbs. I add little season and some salt to taste, which is optional. So now I am going to dip my yam ball in the egg mixture, and then we're gonna coat it in the breadcrumbs mixture. Whilst doing this, I have preheated my oil, and it is ready for frying. Remember, this is a deep frying method. Okay, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, Now our yam balls are well coated, so we are gonna fry them. Be careful when dropping the yam balls in the hot oil, family. So you can see we have arrived at this golden color, and that's exactly how we want it. So we're gonna take this out from the oil, and then whilst doing this, I have some delicious and singled jollof rice on fire. Yes, Father's Day, dear. Because our daddies, our hubbies, our brothers, and our sons, they really deserve it. Just look at this. We are pairing it with some jollof rice and some grilled food chicken. I have the video up there on how I made my jollof rice and my grilled chicken, so kindly check it out. Okay, I hope you like this video. Come, let's enjoy Father's Day together. I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone and wish our daddies a happy Father's Day. Now we are going to enjoy our yam balls. Just look at this. It's beautiful, delicious, and mouth-watering. Please follow this step-by-step procedure and make some yam balls for the family, and they'll be glad they did. Okay, thank you guys, I love you, and see ya in our next video. Bye bye.